Hello there, my name is Paul Allen and I will be running a Design of Experiments workshop at the next International Lean Six Sigma conference in September. If you've never experienced Design of Experiments before, this might be the workshop for you. What I'm going to do in the workshop, very practical, I'm going to give teams a process that they've never met before. I'm going to ask them to use a specific designed experiment, and we're going to take their knowledge of that process from zero to hero in just 1 hour. And think about it like this: you are constantly challenged with new technology at work all the time. New pieces of equipment, new gadgets, new things that are supposed to save the world. How do you take your process knowledge from nil to world class in the fastest possible time? That is what that Design of Experiments workshop is going to show you. I look forward to seeing you all there.